So, my name is Will, and today we're going to talk about 3 things. Right here we have a little bit of avocado leftovers, and the first thing is purgatory. Right here, we see our purgatory number 1 is this small bowl. Purgatory number 1. We'll go ahead and empty it out right now. Purgatory number 2. Notice that we've got this lid right here to help prevent smells and pests. This is quite full, so it's time to empty it. First though, I'll take a little break. Here is where we talk about the second. The second thing is urine. As you can see, it's going into a little bucket of compost down to the bottom of the bucket, and practically no smell will escape from down there. The important thing to think about though is if I wasn't peeing in this compost bucket right now, then I would pee into a toilet and my urine would be sent to a wastewater treatment plant where fossil fuels and chemicals would be used to separate the nutrients from the water. Now we're ready to take out the compost. First I'm going to put a little bit of water in here, and you'll see why in a sec. The other important thing to think about is if I hadn't put my avocado peels in this compost bucket, I would have put them into a trash can where they'd be taken to a landfill and pretty much just sit around for the next 100 years or so. Alright. So the third thing we'll talk about, the third and final thing, is sharing. Our compost actually goes to a neighbor's house. There are 3 houses that put their compost here, and the end product compost contributes to 3 different small gardens. There's the urine. From here, the moisture will work its way downward into the compost pile. And there's my avocado scraps. Now this is where that water comes into play. I can do this to sort of get all of that extra coffee grounds and stuff off of the bottom of the bucket, giving us a nice clean bucket. And I'll do the same with this. I'll top it off with some leaves. And take a little bit of this compost for our urine bucket. Now we're ready to go. Purgatory, urine, sharing. Purgatory, urine, sharing. 3 things.